Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? I haven't been up for a while. The weather started to change. So usually when weather starts to change, people start getting sick. It could change the weather. Somebody said that this camera, this is the Insta360 X3, that this camera picks up low light very well. Now, there's only one light bulb in this sauna, and this is the sauna. It's real hot in here, so it probably won't be long before this camera overheats. But I wanted to see if it was really true, if it does pick up low light, and that light isn't that strong. And sure enough, it is. It is picking it up very, very nicely. I'm going to extend the selfie stick, and I'm going to put it all around the, it's just going to be a quick video. I want to see if it really does work under low light. It seems to be working, but we'll see how it looks like.